Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 80. Obviously, this is a continuation from yesterday. Yesterday was let me recognize the problem so it can be solved. And today is let me recognize my problems have been solved. I think the key word in both of these is the word recognize. Without recognition, nothing is going to change. If I don't know that I have a problem, an issue, an unhappiness around any situation, an uncomfortability around something, I'm just going to go on, day in and day out, living in the same Groundhog Day kind of day, okay? But once the problem has been recognized, once I have had an awareness that there is a problem, now I can realize the answer has been given to me. This lesson says, and you recognize the answer because the problem has been identified. That's really an important note, is a really important line in this lesson. We've identified the problem. Now we can look for the answer. This lesson also tells us multiple times, it repeats several times throughout the lesson, one problem, one solution. One problem, one solution. And all problems are the same. That one problem has been identified, and that one problem is my belief that I am somehow separate from the source, the creator, the energy that created me. And of course, if I look at that, that seems, well, how could that possibly be? And the truth is, it cannot. So that one problem, my belief, that one answer, well, that isn't real. And the answer has been given me to let me know, let me recognize the answer in my life. The course was about that separation, okay? It started out that we had that moment of the tiny mad idea. And as soon as that problem was recognized, we were given the answer. We were given the solution. Think Holy Spirit, okay? This will be the same answer for us. The Holy Spirit will guide us, because as soon as a problem arises, an answer, a solution is immediately given to us, because that is how much we are loved by God. Today is a day for freedom. It's like, one problem plus one solution equals salvation. That word is introduced here to us. Not that we haven't heard it before, but salvation is accomplished when we connect the one problem with the one solution. The practicing for today is, to go into that space and to recognize that your problems have been solved, is what it tells us. Okay, that you are out of conflict, you are free, and you are at peace, because that one problem, that one nagging thought has been lifted off of our minds, because we have turned to the Holy Spirit and have willingly decided we will bring the darkness of the problem to the light of the solution. We mentioned it yesterday. It's still true. It's still gonna be true. The darkness must come to the light, and when I recognize that I have the problem and I recognize that a solution has been offered to me, now I can be conflict free. So the end of the lesson says that, not to collect any more grievances today. Don't collect any grievances. Don't take on any more problems. Don't adhere any more judgments into your life. Don't bring them in. Because today is a day of freedom. Because we've recognized the problem. We know there is an answer. We've turned it over to the Holy Spirit, and we are free. I hope that helped. If so, please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, and congratulate yourself because tomorrow we start our second review. Okay? Namaste.